Have you ever wondered how to tackle those common electrical problems that pop up around the house? From flickering lights to frequent circuit breaker trips, these issues can be quite a nuisance. But understanding the basics can help you manage them both safely and effectively. This video is all about sharing practical insights that can streamline your electrical tasks. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we reveal the top tips and tricks to make your electrical tasks a breeze. Before we delve into the tips and tricks, remember, safety always comes first. When handling electricity, it's crucial to follow certain safety measures. First and foremost, always turn off the power. This simple step can save you from a potentially dangerous situation. Secondly, make sure to use tools that are insulated. These types of tools are specifically designed to protect you from electrical shocks. Also, never touch wires with your bare hands. Always use gloves to protect yourself. Additionally, it's important to have a fire extinguisher and a first aid kit nearby. These items can be lifesavers in case of an emergency. It's crucial to remember that no task, no matter how small, is worth risking your safety over. Remember, no electrical task is worth risking your safety over. Now that we've covered safety, let's jump into those handy tips and tricks. First off, always have a voltage tester on hand. Before you start any electrical work, use it to confirm whether the power is off. This simple tool can save you from a shocking experience. Next, consider marking your wires. It's easy to forget which wire goes where, especially when you're dealing with multiple connections. Use color-coded stickers or tags to remember their placement. This little trick can save you quite a bit of time and headache. Now let's talk about running new wires. This can be a tricky task, especially when you're dealing with tight spaces. That's where a tool called a fish tape comes in. It's a flexible steel ribbon that you can guide through walls and ceilings. Simply attach your wire to the end of the fish tape, reel it back in, and voila, your wire is exactly where you need it to be. However, remember that not all electrical tasks are DIY friendly. If you're facing a complex task, it's better to consult a professional. This could be anything from installing a new circuit breaker to rewiring your entire house. It's not worth risking your safety or damaging your property by attempting these tasks on your own. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you can tackle common electrical problems with ease. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We delved into common electrical problems, underscored the vital role of safety measures, and shared handy tips and tricks to make your electrical work easier and more efficient. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, when in doubt, always consult a professional. Stay safe and happy DIYing.